Well guys, we might actually be cracking an iDevice today. Welcome to our Coca-Cola freeze test. Now with me, I have a brand new iPhone 11, and we're gonna go ahead and unbox this and then get on our way to putting it in some Coca-Cola and putting it in the freezer. So just to show you guys, brand new iPhone 11. Again, this is in the green colorway. God, this thing is disgusting. Let's go ahead and take that off. And I'll go ahead and boot it up real fast. It's looking pretty sweet. Let's give it a second to turn on here. Go ahead and take that out. Well, while this is turning on, let's go ahead and get set up here. I have with me just some plastic Tupperware. Again, brand new for this video. Some special Tupperware here. Anyway, guys, let's go ahead and place that right there. Here is our iPhone 11. Let's go ahead and set it up real fast. Why not? We'll go ahead and throw dark mode on and see what happens here. Will dark mode save this iPhone? All right, well there we are. We are completely set up. Now let's see, it's 2:07. We're gonna put this iPhone in the freezer for 11 hours. Isn't that coincidental? iPhone 11 in a freezer for 11 hours. Anyway, let's get on with this. So, gonna go ahead and place the iPhone just like that into the container. Here comes the Coca-Cola, guys. Oh, let's see. Don't make a mess. Ah, perfect. Ah, and here we go, guys. Oh, this is painful. And that should do it. All right, you know what? That was too fun. Let's go ahead and do this one more time in slow motion. So here we go. Here comes the Coca-Cola, guys, and it's off. All right, and finally, without further ado, onto the freezer. All right, well, here we go, guys. Let's open up the freezer. And here comes the iPhone. Now look at this. It's all bubbly around the edges. I don't know if you can kind of see that, but let's not spill any of this and just place it slowly down into the freezer. Get this crap out of here. Alrighty, and as you guys can see, the iPhone is still on. Well, here we go. Let's put it away for 11 hours. Oh, well, good morning, guys. Welcome back. It is freaking early. I hope you guys are having a good day so far. Let's take a look at what we have here. My God, you can't even see the iPhone. Let's go ahead and bring this over to the sink and take a look at it a little closer. Wow, that is just freaking a rock. Okay. Well, I don't really know how to take this thing out. Let's go ahead and see if we can just pop it out. It's gonna take some more love here. Let's just run some water on it. Ah. Jesus. Well, that is the phone, guys. Oh, let's get that out of here. Well, there we have it. It seems to be okay. Let's take a look at the camera. Couple buttons. It's a little slow. Not too terrible, though, guys. Look at that. It's just a frickin'... Oh, ha! Well... that is the freeze test, guys. The water is freaking it out. It seems to be okay. Let's try to install an app and run a Geekbench test, I guess. Okay, let's not use hot water. That is really hot. But we can probably turn that guy off now. Gotta love two-factor verification. Aside from being a little wet and a little cold, it seems to be pretty much okay. Let's go ahead and run a Geekbench test, like I said, real fast to wrap this video up. And, there we go. Screw it, we'll run it underwater. Ha! And look at those results. I guess I don't know how to compare this now with Geekbench 5. I thought that was really low for a second, but I just remembered the Geekbench scores are quite a bit lower now that Geekbench 5 has come out. Let's go ahead and take a look at device. Actually, let's go single. If we compare it to the 10S, yeah, it looks like it's performing okay, actually, because it's getting better scores than the 10S. They don't have the iPhone 11 scores up yet, I guess, to compare it to, but anyhow, it looks like it's working perfectly fine. The rear camera is working. If I flip it around, the front-facing camera is working. Let's go ahead and double check Face ID real fast, but I think that's about it. If this works, then we should be good to go, guys. And yeah, it looks like it's working perfectly fine. Anyway, guys, that is the 11-hour freeze test. I caught it a little bit late, but it's super early in the morning, guys. Alright, so just a quick update for you guys at the very end of this video. One thing I didn't test that I thought I should, that Tanner brought up, is the speakers on this guy. Now, it's been a couple minutes since it's been out of the freezer, but listen to this, and by no surprise, unfortunately, the speakers are really struggling. Like this. I don't know if you can hear this. I'm trying to get it close to the camera, but that's the essential gist, is you can't hear it. The speakers are not doing too well on this iPhone. Unfortunately, it mainly seems to be this bottom speaker. The top one actually sounds okay, but anyway, we'll have to wait and see if it dries out, but that is about the only thing that I've really found that doesn't work. Anyway, that pretty much wraps up this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you guys liked it, you know what to do. Definitely hit that thumbs up button before you head out. Anyway, guys, fun freeze test video, more awesome stuff to come. Thank you so much for watching, but until next time, this is Tony, signing out.